everyone, Gecko here. Today's a very special day. It's Baby Truck's first visit to our garage. So we want to give her an extra special Gecko's Garage welcome. Hello, Baby Truck. Are you nervous? It's okay. You're in safe hands. Right, Mechanicals? Ah! Huh? Baby Truck! Wait! Oh no! We frightened Baby Truck away! Don't worry, Mummy Truck. We'll find her. Quick, Mechanicals! We need to find Baby Truck. Poor Baby Truck. Where could she be? Huh? Are you hiding, Baby Truck? Is it because you're nervous? Guess what? Me too. It's your first time at the garage. We wanted to make your visit extra special. I'm sorry if we frightened you, but I promise we'll take extra special care of you. Is that okay? Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Have an amazing day, Baby Truck. You are so brave. You're welcome, Baby Truck. Thanks very much for joining us at Gecko's Garage today. Bye! Hello, everyone. We're getting ready for movie night here at the garage. How's it looking, Grandma?
The screen looks perfect, Gecky. Oh, hello there, Blue. I hope you're getting my good side.
Now we just need the Truck family to bring the popcorn machine and we're ready.
Huh? Baby Truck! Oh, what's wrong, dear?
Mummy Truck's in danger. Go, Tilly Tow Truck. Baby Truck, lead the way. Spinning screwdrivers! Mummy Truck could fall into the river. Whether friends or family in need, us geckos help with care and speed. All set, Grandma! It's not working.
If only her trailer were lighter.
That's it! We can lighten Mummy Truck's load if we pop that corn. To stop Mummy Truck from dropping, I need to make this corn start popping.
Hurry, Gecky! That popcorn needs to pop faster.
Then let's boost the power. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, I know. Get ready for a popcorn storm.
Grandma's got you, dear.
The taste of sweet success.
What movie we watching, Gecky? Attack of the Giant Forklift?
No, it's a special premiere. Blues film of brave baby truck's rescue.
Ooh, I hear the cast is fabulous.
Hello, everyone. Mama Recycle is on her way to collect our recycling. Here she comes now, right on time. Aww, and baby truck's here too. Oh, what's wrong, Mama? Spinning screwdrivers! Your suspension needs repairing. You'll need to rest while we fix you. Oh, are you worried because there's more recycling to collect? Huh? Oh, baby wants to help. Ah, thank you, recycling team. Well done. Never mind. The important thing is you tried to help. And if at first you don't succeed, try again. Red and yellow can fix Mama's suspension, while blue, green and I help Baby become a recycling truck. Just like her Mama. What tools do we need? Wrench, spray paint. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. These boxes will help us recycle right. So let's glue them down, nice and tight. A grabbing arm is what you'll need to pick up recycling with safety and speed. A fresh coat of paint and labels stuck. Baby's now a recycling truck! You just relax, Mama Recycle. Red, blue and yellow will look after you. Let's put our fix to the test. Go, go, Baby Recycling Truck! That's it, Baby Truck. Now which box does the metal can go in? That's right! Now to collect the rest of the recycling. Success! All done! Now back to the garage. Great job, everyone! We helped to save the planet, and Mama had a well-earned rest. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Baby Truck's here for a play date with the mechanicals. I'll come play soon. I just need to finish changing Fiona Fire Truck's wheels. Oh! Someone needs our help. Oh no! There's a fire and Fiona can't help. Her new wheels haven't arrived yet. What will we do? Aha! That's it! The car wash! Baby Truck, how would you like to be a fire truck for the day? fighters are here. Oh no! We've sprung a leak! Take over, Red! Oh, good, Red! No problem, Trevor. And well done, baby. You make a really good fire truck. Bye, everyone!
That's right, Mechanicals. Let's get the garage nice and clean. Oh, sounds like we've got a customer. It's the Truck family. Mummy Truck, Mama Recycle, and Baby Truck, who doesn't look very happy. A wobbly tooth? That's nothing to worry about, Baby Truck. When it falls out, you can place it under your pillow and you get a gold coin. Oh no! Baby Truck sneezed her wobbly tooth away. Oh, don't worry, we'll find it. Go, go, Mechanicals! Ugh, yuck! Sorry, Green. That's not a tooth. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Watch it, Yellow! Oh, we've searched the whole garage and there's no sign of Baby Truck's tooth anywhere. Oh. Just a minute. There's one place we haven't looked. In Blue's feather duster. Aha! Here you go, Baby Truck. Now get home and put it under your pillow. And we'll see you soon for more exciting adventures at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Achoo!
Good job, Baby Truck. We're almost done with your driving test. You just need to reverse up this ramp. Don't worry. Slow. Easy now. Nicely done! You passed your first driving test, Baby Truck.
You call that a driving test? Now this is a driving test. Eh, Sly?
What exactly are you testing for?
How much better we are than you. This is too easy for me. Sly, you oversized toaster.
Help! Baby Truck, we have to rescue them. Take your time. You can do this.
Great touching, Baby Truck.
Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. I'll have you down in no time.
Just like you reversed in the test, Baby Truck. Nice and steady. There we go. Safe and sound slide.
Well, looks like I finished that driving test quite nicely.
Baby Truck, you're like no other. You passed the driving test with flying colours. Oh, thanks, Red. Oh, it really is hot today. Look over there. Baby and Mama are going for a picnic. But Baby doesn't look well at all. Come on, Baby Truck. Let's take a look at you and find out what's wrong. Oh, that's the problem. You're way too hot. Quick, Mechanicals, fetch some water. Oh dear, you've not been drinking enough water, have you? It's important to drink lots of water when it's hot. That's better. But I think you're still too hot. Aha! I've got it! Turn the car wash down to cold, please, Red. Hee-hee! All right, Baby Truck. Time to cool off. All better. Now you can go to your picnic. Have a great time. Bye! Great Halloween costumes, Mechanicals. You ready to go trick-or-treating? Sorry, Mechanicals. I have to finish Baby Truck's oil change. You go ahead. I'll catch up.
Trick or treat? Bah! You don't get any sweets unless you scare me. And I am unscarable. Rubbish! I guess I'll need to eat all these sweets by myself.
Huh? Back already? Oh, I'm sorry, Mechanicals. Wait, what's that, Baby Truck? Aha! That's a good idea.
More of those annoying trick-or-treaters. Leave me alone. I don't want...
Well done, Baby Truck. That gave him a Halloween scare, all right. Hoo-hoo! Happy Halloween! Hello, everyone. We're just fixing Mama Recycle. But, it's getting late. You'll have to stay for a sleepover. Come on, everyone. Time to get ready for bed. Whoa! excited they'll never get to sleep. But I've got an idea. Time to get all squeaky clean before we go to bed and dream. Now it's time to dry you off. I'm coming to get you! They'll never sleep like this. Wait a minute, I've got another idea.
Sleepy mechanicals, lay down your head. You've worked so hard, now it's time for a rest. Baby truck blue, red, yellow, green. It's time for bed. Good night and sweet dreams.
Good night, everyone.
Thanks, Mummy Truck. Thanks, Mama Recycle. So far, so good.
Remember, everyone, it's Valentine's Day, and we're helping Baby Truck make a dinner for her mummies. It's a big secret, so shh. You get it ready. I'll keep the mummies busy. We've got to make sure your hubcaps are clean, Mama.
Huh?
Must have been, the wind? Come on, let's check your bolts are tight enough. Whew. There we go. All done. Ta-da! Happy Valentine's Day, Mummy and Mama. Oh, you're welcome. But it was all Baby Truck's idea. Oh. Well done, Baby Truck. Your mummies are so grateful.
Hello, everyone. Gecko here. We're just on our way home. What? It's Baby Truck.
What's that, Baby Truck? You've lost your dummy. Don't be upset. We'll find it for you.
Go, go, Mechanicals!
Try looking by those red flowers. Can you see anything? What about that green hedge? Can you see anything there? It must be here somewhere. I'm sorry, baby truck. I can't find your dummy anywhere. Blue! Well done! You found it. Here you go, baby truck. All's well that ends well. Thanks for your help, everyone. Bye! Hello, everyone. We're just upgrading the car wash so it can spray paint. OK, Mummy Truck, go! Now we just need to wait for the paint to dry. What shall we do? How about a game of hide and seek? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Seen Baby and the Mechanicals, Mummy Truck? Where could they be? Could they be? Maybe I'll look over here. Ha! Found you! Now it's my turn to hide. Next time. Bye.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's garage. Oh, it's very muddy today, so we're getting our car wash ready. Oh, look. Here comes Baby Truck to get all cleaned up. Oh, hello, Baby Truck. Let me guess what you're here for. Splish, splash and splosh. Activate Gecko's car wash. That's not right. You're still all muddy. Of course! We haven't filled it up with soap. You can't get squeaky clean without soap. Now the soap is filled to the top, we can wash all that mud off. Oh! That's strange. The rollers are meant to roll the bubbles off. Hoo-hoo-ah! Ooh! Aha! That's it! Baby Truck is too small for the rollers to reach. Ah. Hooray! The car wash is working and Baby Truck is sparkling clean. It's Cheerio from Gecko. Bye!
There you go, Mummy Truck. Your indicators will work fine now. Lucky I always carry spare bulbs. It's Molly playing with her favourite toy. And Baby Truck too. Make sure you share it. Poor Baby Truck. You've got a boo-boo, but you'll be okay, I promise. Molly? Let's take a look at you now, Molly. Are you okay? Huh? Oh no! Molly is leaking oil. I don't have the tools to fix her here. We need to get you back to the garage. Fast! I'm going to need your help, Baby Truck. Can you keep the road clear so I can get Molly to the garage quickly? Everyone, let's move at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Huh? Oh no! Eric and Dylan are blocking the road. Thanks, Eric and Dylan. Well done, Baby Truck. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Don't worry, Molly, we're here for you. Our fix will make you good as new. Teamwork and tools will help us mend any part of any friend. We weld and fix and check and then stick all the parts together again. This fix has made you as strong as before, so you won't leak oil anymore. Oh, we couldn't have done it without your help, Baby Truck. Oh, and look! Blue's fixed the toy truck. Well done, Blue. And great sharing, you two. I'm so proud of you both. Bye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. It's very cold today, so we need to wrap up warm.
Oh, what is wrong with you, Sly? Why won't you start? Achoo!
Sniffling screwdrivers. I think Mr. Weasel and Sly could use our help. Come on, Mechanicals. It's important to look after our neighbours. Oh, Mr. Weasel, you and Sly need some help. Let the Mechanicals take care of you, and I will look after Sly. Go, go, Mechanicals.
What's going on? Oh, no! Put me down!
It's okay, Sly. We'll take you back to the garage for a little checkup.
Leave me alone, trash cans. Oh, well, if you insist. I think I need some grapes, too. Oh! I said grapes, not brakes? Oh.
First, I have to work out how to open your bonnet, Sly. Which one is the right button? Aha! Don't worry, Sly. I know exactly what the problem is. Your battery needs recharging and your water tank is almost empty. What tools do I need? Jump leads. Water hose. Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this. Sly's feeling thirsty and needs a quick drink. Time for a top-up of water, I think. Now connect the jump leads from Sly to Tilly so Sly's battery can charge and he'll stop feeling chilly. Turn on Tilly's engine, that's all Sly needs, to share Tilly's power and zoom off at speed. You're welcome, Sly.
Oh! Sly! You're fixed and all better! Take me home, dear Sly. No, not backwards! Forwards! Oh, fine. Thank you, Gecko.
You're both very welcome. Anytime. Goodbye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Eric the excavator's in for his service. We have to check he's fit and healthy for all the digging he does. Who wants to help? I think I'll choose yellow. I know you want to play, but I think you'll have just as much fun working in the garage. We'll start by checking your engine, Eric. Let's have a nice loud rev. You can do better than that, Eric. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey! Great catch, Yellow. Time to test your caterpillar tread. That's part of the service, Eric. Let's see how your digger arm's working. Oh! Needs a spot of oil, Yellow. Well done, Eric. You've passed your service, so you're all ready for lots more digging. Do you want to go and join them, Yellow? I told you work could be fun. See you all soon for more work and fun here at Gecko's Garage. Hello, everyone. We're going to the beach today. Remember, mechanicals, only take what we need. Huh? Oh. Garage doors open wide. It's time to go to the seaside. Go, Tilly Tow Truck. Green can't wait for an ice cream. Oh no! Vicky's broken down. Let's take a look. I see the problem. Let's tow you to the beach and I'll fix you there. Are you all right, Tilly? If you need to take a break, that's okay. Spinning screwdrivers! Now we're stuck. We'll get you home, Tilly, but first we have to help Vicky. No wonder you're feeling tired. A brand new spark plug is what's required. You'd best get going, Vicky. We'll just have to go to the beach another day. We need to fix Tilly. Hi, Trevor. Would you be able to help us, please? I have an idea. Thanks, Trevor. Good as new. Our dear friend Tilly, we love you the best. Now what you need is a well-earned rest. But first, go outside. You all deserve a special treat. Ta-da! If we can't go to the beach with our friends can bring the beach to us. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Mr. Weasel's challenged us to a game of football. And I've got 2 terrific trucks on my team.
That trophy is mine! Frogs Flops can't match Weasel's winners. Remember, Max, you stay in goal. Because you blocked the whole thing.
Start your engines. If you have one, that is.
Good luck, team. Enjoy yourselves.
And they're off. Baby truck is dribbling. With the ball, that is. There's no way past Max the monster keeper. Oh, Weasel's wheels go on the attack. Great tackle. Oh no, Baby truck has a flat tire.
Oh, baby, what rotten luck.
Weasel to Sly, who runs into Tilly. Now Tilly's exhaust has fallen off. This game is bananas.
Pass to me, Sly. You'll only miss. Oh, no! That was your fault, Sly.
Oh dear, you two need a fast fix.
Ooh, it's half time.
Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Baby's hurt, but brave all the same. With a brand new tyre, she's back in the game. Tilly's exhaust fell off with a crash. So let's reattach it quick as a flash. Now we've had a little rest, let's get back out and try our best.
Stop dawdling, you two. We have to win, whatever it takes.
Team Gecko on the attack, prepared and ready to go. Wowee! Tilly's faster than ever with her new exhaust.
Look out!
Wow! A ropey challenge by Weasel. Red card.
Never.
Seconds left! We could win it with this free kick! Go, go, team!
Go! done, teams. Fair play won today.
Bye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. We're at the campsite. It's been raining all day. But we don't mind. The mechanicals love the rain. Green has even made a little boat. She's having so much fun. Oh, go, Green.
Maybe too much fun. Poor little Green has run out of power and needs recharging.
No problem. We'll just use her portable charging bed. Huh? Spinning screwdrivers. No power? The solar-powered charging beds collect their energy from the sun. But there's no sunlight today. We need to find another source of power.
Oh, what if we gather the energy from the rain with a water wheel?
Huh? Great idea, Grandma. We can channel the rainwater to turn the wheel.
And we can use the water wheel to power a dynamo, which turns movement into electricity that we can charge Green. I'll have a look in Miles's hatch. No. Nope. Aha! A dynamo.
Let's do it! What tools do we need? Wrench! Chisel? Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this! The first part of our water wheel scheme is to chisel out a channel to make a stream. Fix spoons to the wheel and the wheel to this pin so the water will give the wheel a spin. The water wheel drives the dynamo, creating electricity to help Green go. Oh, it's working! Green's powered up and ready to go.
And just in time for us to recharge with a nice cup of tea.
Thanks, Grandma. Bye, everyone.
Hello, everyone. It's busy today. Baby Truck and Max the monster truck need a tyre change. But where's Max? Oh, hello, Max. Go, go, mechanicals. Yellow! No! Yellow's gone and bumped her head. So it's over to you, Blue and Red. Spinning screwdrivers! Come on, Yellow! Looks like the tyres got mixed up. It's okay. We all make mistakes. We just need to swap the tyres back. Oh, don't worry, Max. We'll soon sort this out. Yuck! Baby Truck, we know you're having fun,
They're Max's tyres. Shall we give them back to him now? Oh, well done, baby truck. It's important to always give things back after you borrow them. See you again soon. Bye! Almost done, Fiona. Here comes your new ladder.
Cat, be careful!
Hola, Gecko! Me and Helena are practicing our loop-the-loops. Look at us go! Woohoo! Yeah! Let's try a big one.
Oh, look out, Cat!
Oh no!
Incoming! Oh, are you okay, Red?
Gecko, I can't land without Helena's skids.
Oh no! Quick, Mechanicals! We've got to help. Fetch me those wheels, please. Just a little closer.
I'm trying.
Oh! No!
Hang on, Gecko.
Blue, grab their skids. I have an idea. Now, Blue.
Phew. Another happy landing. Thanks for the help, Gecko.
No problem, Cat. All part of the service. Oh, hello, everyone. Me and Blue were just heading out to get a Christmas tree for the garage. Oh, it's Bobby the bus. He's stuck. Oh. This hot chocolate will warm you up. Don't worry, Bobby. We'll soon get you unstuck. Oh. It's no good. Unhook us, Blue. We'll try something else. Oh no! Now Tilly is stuck in the snow. Oh dear, Blue. It looks like we're stuck too. Don't be sad, Blue. Someone will help us. At least we have this hot chocolate to keep us warm. Oops! Look! The hot chocolate melted the snow. I have an idea. Hee! It worked! Hang on, Bobby. You're welcome, Bobby. But what are we going to do with this fallen tree? Aha! Perfect! Merry Christmas, everyone!